Hi folks, this is Florida Trailblazer, and today I'm out here exploring in this beautiful wilderness by Hatchet Creek. It's located in Alachua County. Following this overgrown path back into the woods. Making my way further back into the wilderness here. And it's so beautiful and scenic in these areas. Really peaceful out here as well. Perfect day to be out exploring. Has some cooler temperatures. There's a light breeze. Air is fresh. And it just feels good to be out here. Now I'm following this pathway here that was used for many years, seeing where it leads, and it's possible there may have been a homestead out here at one time. There's just so much history in these areas. There's an intersection here. Part of the path goes that way, and also this direction. I'll probably go this way. Well, starting to see some traces from the past out here. Here's a old fence post. There's a clearing just beyond that. There's a beautiful tree over there. It's a nice tree. You can see some more fence posts laying on the ground. Some blocks here, pieces of wood on the ground. So there's definitely some sort of structure in this area at one time. Some old metal over here. This is interesting. Take a look right there. You can see remains of a foundation. Exploring around the site, there's a nice open clearing here. I keep looking around and see what other evidence from the past I can discover out here. Wow, check this out. Definitely some old remains in this area. See some metal here. And there's a lot of bricks scattered around, and piled up in this area. These have been out here for quite some time. Over here I can see some fencing and more remains from a structure. You can see the outline of it right there. You can see more remains of the structure here. Looks like it was part of an old cabin at one time. Seen a lot of remains around this site. Take a look at this. Not sure what this is part of. See more fencing. Like a wooden platform right here. Lots of traces from the past out here. This is interesting. This may have been part of a well or something like that. Well, I explored around the site and discovered some interesting history. Who knows what else could be out here. Right now I'm going to head back into woods and explore the wilderness more. It's always great to be out here, enjoying nature, experiencing a history, taking a journey into the past.